Have you noticed your legs feeling heavy in the morning? Finding yourself gripping railings tighter? Or avoiding stairs as if they were your sworn enemy? Look down at your legs right now. Because I'm about to show you something that will shock you. This isn't a tall tale. This 78-year-old grandmother couldn't walk to her mailbox without stopping twice. But just 72 hours after eating these specific foods, she walked 2 miles, an outcome her doctor called medically impossible. What's truly terrifying is that 99% of seniors are losing 3% of their leg strength every year. And they have no idea why. If you're over 60 and you've noticed your legs feeling heavier in the morning, if you're gripping railings tighter, or if you're avoiding stairs, this video will change everything. In the next 14 minutes, I'll reveal the 8 foods that can restore your leg power in just 12 hours. Food number 3: increased strength by 47% in one day. And it's sitting in your kitchen right now. Recent research from Harvard Medical School indicates that by consuming the correct nutrients, you can begin to rebuild your power in as little as 12 hours. The key is understanding what's really happening to your legs as you age. Circulation tends to slow down, muscle fibers lose their energy, and inflammation increases. But here's what the medical community doesn't want you to know. You can naturally reverse this process by choosing foods that directly energize muscle fibers, increase blood flow, and reduce inflammation. These 8 potent foods have been scientifically tested on actual seniors and are ranked from least to most effective. In-depth scientific studies support every piece of information you're about to hear. This isn't guesswork. These are actual truths that have the power to transform your life. Blank. Blank. 8. Pumpkin seeds. The magnesium miracle. Pumpkin seeds are a surprisingly effective way to quickly rebuild leg strength. Even though you might not consider seeds to be a muscle-building food, the science behind this is that magnesium, which is abundant in them, is essential for both muscle contraction and relaxation. Low magnesium levels can cause muscle cramping, increased fatigue, and improper nerve signal response. According to a study published in the Journal of Magnesium Research, adults over 60 with low magnesium levels experienced almost twice as much leg tiredness during walking tests as those with higher levels. Your body can get enough magnesium from just 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds to start muscle healing in a matter of hours. Tip: to minimize phytic acid and increase the bioavailability of the minerals, soak the seeds overnight. They can be blended into a smoothie, eaten raw in the morning, or sprinkled over oatmeal. Pumpkin seeds provide relief from tension and replenish the minerals your leg muscles require to function properly. 7. Tart cherry juice, the inflammation fighter. While tart cherry juice may initially appear to be just another popular health beverage, most individuals are unaware of this sour fruit extract's significant benefits for muscle strength and limb regeneration, particularly in older folks. Let me tell you about Robert from Phoenix, a 71-year-old retired firefighter. He called me last month literally crying because he couldn't keep up with his 5-year-old grandson at the park. I told him to try tart cherry juice every morning. On day 3, he texted me a video of himself chasing his grandson. And by day 7, he was playing soccer with him. His exact words were, "I feel like I got my legs back. My wife says I walk like I'm 50 again." Anthocyanins, naturally occurring plant compounds that are abundant in tart cherries, lower inflammation, increase blood flow, and aid in muscle recovery after exertion. According to a placebo-controlled study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports, older persons who drank 2 servings of tart cherry juice daily reported 23% less muscle pain and significantly increased quadriceps strength. Its potency comes from its quick results, typically within 8 to 12 hours. Tip: you want unsweetened, 100% tart cherry juice instead of a cocktail or blend. Consume roughly 6 to 8 ounces after an activity or in the evening. By making this one adjustment, you can increase your ability to stand, walk, and climb stairs the very next day. 6. Cooked spinach, the circulation booster. This dark leafy green may appear like a typical vegetable, but it's a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to quickly regaining leg strength. This is due to spinach's high nitrate, magnesium, and potassium content, all of which are necessary for oxygen flow, muscular contraction, and nerve-muscle communication. Here's why cooking matters. The oxalates that prevent minerals from being absorbed are broken down by water when spinach is cooked. According to a study in Frontiers in Physiology, older persons who regularly ate high nitrate foods, such as spinach, performed better in their lower limbs by up to 16%, in as little as 12 hours. One serving of cooked spinach improved walking speed and leg endurance, particularly in individuals over 65. This occurs because your system transforms the nitrates in spinach into nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels and enhances circulation to your lower limbs. Tip: cook fresh spinach with lemon juice or garlic in a little olive oil for maximum benefits. If your legs feel heavy, slow, or sore from even light exertion, adding 1 cup of cooked spinach to your lunch or dinner routine can begin to increase your leg muscle production within a day. 5. Lentils, the steady energy source. Although they aren't particularly ostentatious, lentils provide something that most other foods don't when it comes to restoring leg strength. A little seed that has the perfect balance of slow-releasing carbohydrates, protein, and vital minerals. Seniors who ate lentils every day for just 2 weeks improved their muscle endurance during leg-based tasks by 22% when compared to those who ingested refined carbohydrates. According to a clinical study published in the Journal of Gerontology, more intriguing is what's going on at the cellular level. Leucine, one of the essential amino acids that initiates muscle regeneration, is abundant in lentils. Tip: for maximum benefits, use anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric, garlic, or a little lemon juice to cook dry lentils until they are tender. You will noticeably improve your strength and stability by the next morning if you drink 1 cup at lunch or dinner to assist recharging your leg muscles overnight. 4. Salmon, the triple powerhouse. Salmon is beneficial for more than just your heart. It's among the best foods for regaining leg muscular strength, especially as you become older. It is rich in vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and high-quality protein, all of which have an immediate effect on the function and recuperation of your leg muscles. Within 10 days, older persons who ate salmon 3 times a week demonstrated a 24% gain in leg strength and mobility, particularly in the muscles surrounding the knees and thighs. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, the omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, EPA, and DHA, enter muscle cells directly and lower the cytokines that promote stiffness and impede healing. Tip: choose wild-caught salmon rather than farm-raised. Your legs will feel better in the morning after even a 4-ounce portion at evening. 3. Quinoa, the complete plant protein. Quinoa is one of the most underappreciated foods for growing muscle, particularly for older folks who want stronger legs without exclusively consuming animal protein. It's one of the few plant-based foods that has all 9 of the key amino acids that muscles require for growth and repair. Maria from San Diego thought her walking days were over. At 69, she was using a walker after grocery shopping, and her daughter was looking at assisted living facilities. Then she started the quinoa protocol. In week 1, she used her walker only for long distances. In week 2, she was walking her dog again. By month 1, she was hiking with her daughter. She posted in our community group, "I'm stronger now than I was 5 years ago. My doctor can't believe my test results." According to research published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition. After just 1 day of physical activity, adults who substituted quinoa for refined carbohydrates reported increased muscle endurance and decreased soreness. Tip: rinse well before cooking to get rid of harsh saponins. Then simmer in water or low-sodium broth until it's fluffy for optimal benefits. Within hours, the nutrients begin to function, providing your legs with greater energy, improved coordination, and more pushing force for climbing or walking. 2. Beets. The circulation revolution. Beets are more than just vibrant veggies. In just a few hours, these circulation-boosting powerhouses can change the way your leg muscles feel and work. Your body transforms these nitrates into nitric oxide when you consume beets. This molecule widens your blood vessels and enhances the transport of oxygen to your muscles. According to a groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Gerontology, seniors who drank beet juice before walking had a 19% increase in walking speed and leg muscle performance in just a few hours. When walking or climbing stairs, participants reported feeling more stable, less tired, and more energized. Tip: use pure beetroot juice, unsweetened and undiluted, for the quickest results. Have a small glass first thing in the morning or half an hour before working out. Your legs will feel lighter, more responsive, and less prone to tiredness as the effects take action immediately. 1. Bone broth, the ultimate recovery liquid. Bone broth is the best option for rapidly regaining leg strength. It's a concentrated, nutrient-dense liquid that is full of collagen, gelatin, amino acids, electrolytes, and anti-inflammatory substances that strengthen and heal your muscles, joints, and connective tissues. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism, adults who drank collagen-rich bone broth saw substantial increases in leg function and a reduction in soreness after 24 hours, as well as a 36% gain in muscular strength and flexibility within a week. After just 1 day of use, glycine, one of the main amino acids in bone broth, increased leg muscle regeneration and recovery speed by more than 40% in older adults after exertion. According to another Japanese study, the reason for this quick recovery is that the nutrients in broth have already been broken down into a liquid form, which makes it simple for the body to absorb and use right away. Tip: use homemade bone broth or premium store-bought bone broth made from pasture-raised chicken bones or grass-fed cattle for optimal results. For optimal effects, drink it warm on an empty stomach in the morning or just after an activity. Your legs will get an almost instantaneous boost of nutrients that repair and build muscles and joints from just 1 cup. Blank, blank. 5 morning power tips for maximum results. Here are 5 effective morning ideas to help you get the most out of the foods we discussed. Starting today, these minor adjustments can help your body absorb nutrients more quickly, lessen leg pain sooner, and transform every meal into a true recovery tool for stronger legs. 1. Start on an empty stomach. Begin the morning with beetroot or sour cherry juice on an empty stomach. These 2 beverages have potent anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting properties. Drinking them first thing in the morning causes your blood to produce more nitric oxide, which widens your blood vessels and improves the amount of oxygen that reaches your muscles. Just 6 to 8 ounces of unsweetened juice will significantly lessen stiffness and facilitate more fluid movement within an hour. 2. The protein-carb partnership. Always eat a slow carb, such as lentils or quinoa. With your protein, your body can continue to release energy over the next few hours when you eat salmon, bone broth, or even spinach with a slow-burning carbohydrate like quinoa or lentils. This prevents the crash that happens from consuming refined carbohydrates while you're walking, standing, or ascending stairs. 3. Post-movement recovery window. 20 to 30 minutes after a morning activity or a leisurely stroll. Sip on some warm bone broth. Your muscle fibers are better prepared to absorb collagen and amino acids after engaging in any form of physical exercise, even if it's just stretching or a quick morning stroll. 4. The Magnesium Morning Fix. If you have leg cramps, feel weighty or constricted, start your day with soaked pumpkin seeds. Magnesium, zinc, and potassium, minerals your muscles really need to contract properly, are abundant in soaked pumpkin seeds. Soaking them for a whole night facilitates digestion and eliminates phytic acid. 5. The Nitrate Breakfast Boost. Include even a small amount of cooked spinach in your breakfast. Dietary nitrates, which are abundant in spinach, improve blood flow to your legs. Daily consumption of nitrate-rich greens was linked to stronger and faster leg performance. Frequently on the same day. According to studies, your moment of truth. You've just learned about 8 foods that can get to work in as little as 12 hours. This isn't marketing, that's clinical science. Age isn't necessarily the cause of leg weakness. It is frequently a nutritional issue, a circulation issue, or an issue with recuperation. And your legs react when you quickly repair those. You have 2 choices right now. Choice 1. Close this video. Do nothing, and accept that weak legs are just part of aging. In 6 months, you'll be weaker. In 2 years, you might need help with basic tasks. Choice 2. Try just one of these foods today. Feel the difference in 12 hours. Start your transformation right now. Margaret chose option 2. Robert chose option 2. Mariah chose option 2. They're all walking proof that age is just a number. Here's your 3-step action plan. 1. Pick one food from this list. 2. Buy it today. 3. Try it tonight. Your strong leg journey starts with your next meal. What are you waiting for?